Yeah, we're live. All right, awesome. Dev stream. This is the 5th dev stream. Let's go. Let's just go at it. We're just making tiles. That's all we're really doing tonight. Tomorrow I'll be like implementing the tiles a bit further and finishing up any tiles I didn't get to finish tonight. But the main thing I want to get out of the way is Christmas tile. That's the ones I want to get out of the way tonight. The only Christmas tiles I've gotten done so far are the ornaments, which one of my favorite blocks in the or tiles. I'm gonna call them fucking blocks. Doesn't matter what they're called. Blocks, tiles, all the same thing. But we have bugs we need to fix real quick. I want to fix that because I think my code broke or something. Because as it currently stands, it's not picking up that stuff. So I'm curious. Interact. No, I defined it somewhere. This is variable I use to track, like, what. You know, it's too complicated to explain. I'm not gonna explain it. Here it is. That's right. Touching tiles. Shop. Oh. Or are we serious? I've had it set to and this whole time. Holy shit. How's that working? Wait. Let's do. How does that work? That should be impossible. Oh god. Okay, if not this sprite. Yeah, I got an idea. I got a real bright idea, so fix all my problems. Do this, Control C, Control V, Control V. The wires overhead. I fucking kinda color, don't forget I'm someone's bother. I'll never even bother. We'll take it slow. Okay. I'll start pasting this thing just in all of them. Buffer, you should have. Okay, so that would have hopefully fixed it. Fuck, man. Return true. Bruises on my neck. Just a tall of flesh. Found a smoking body on the wire overhead. Wait, no, that's not the script. This is the script I think I'm looking for. If mouse down, or wait, yeah. Stand it's true. Yeah, send it to true. It's not working. Okay. Oh no. Light level? It's still true. Okay. Oh, I'll tell you. Fucking. Good lord. Okay, something's clearly not right. I need to look through here. So, if we are not touching that, so we're not touching tiles. We are not touching that. We're not touching that. End of the world. Back to the street where we began. I don't want a bunch of fucking, like, or. Okay, let's expand. I think we need to add more stuff. So, this sprite, yes, touching a clone. So, not to be that guy. Oh, that is a clone. Well, then what's the issue? Okay, let's just try it with just just you. It should be saying that it falls. So this script just doesn't really work. Back to that plane. Back to our feet. If not touching hotbar. Back to the street. Back to the place. If not touching hotbar. Fall. There we go. So it has to be a clone. That was literally what we were just checking for, was it not? If mouse pointer touching clone, I'll do that. Let's try this. Let's try this one. The mouse pointer one's a much better one. Does this one just not work? I don't think it works. Oh, this is tough. So, I just want to get if the mouse pointer is touching clone. Let's start with this. It's literally, it is touching a clone of hotbar. So this just doesn't work. Mouse pointer touching. Think about clones. Touching. Pretty sure I already got that one. So let's load up Sharkpool. Hypersense. That's the one we want. We want Hypersense. Right now we have Sentencing Expanded. We want Hypersense. Oh, we already have it. That looks real complicated. If mouse pointer's touching clone. Here's what I want. If mouse pointer's touching clone of the hotbar, then we do this, right? What? Mouse pointer. Okay, let's just do myself touching a clone. None of these blocks work. I just don't, I don't get it. I don't understand. I don't understand. Hmm. Project interfaces. Oh god. Wait. This is gonna be useful. Arrays. I am thinking. Is it possible? Hold up. Parse. Could I parse this as an array? Oh, okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. No. Hmm. I don't know how this works. I don't know how this works. Playing away with links. Okay. Target. Okay, I'm just bumbling around right now. I gotta get some real progress done on this. I think my temporary solution is good for the but oh no, oh no. Okay, so this should work. We show the hotbar, correct? We cannot be serious. We cannot be serious. Okay, specify. Ugh. Well. For the forever loop. How? How? Maybe we like wait a sec. Tell me what you want. So that ain't gonna work. Oh, I know why. Push your temper. Bruh, we cannot be serious. Holy fucking. Oh my god, man. I am so dense. It did not occur to me one time that this might not be a clone. It didn't occur to me once. This is my brain in here. All right, there. That shiny. It's so shiny. That's my brain. That's it. Holy crap, man. So, you know what we could do, right? We could just, like... Here's what we could do, right? If we... Clear graphic effects. And then set ghost effect to 100. Does this work? We have that show. That does show. Now let's use our unused variable called light level to test this. Set light level to mouse pointer touching hotbar. Does it work? Oh, it's trying to touch a clone. And what did I say about Smooth Brain? Touching hotbar. Come on. It works. We fixed it. It's patched. The bug is patched. The bug is patched. Kind of, not really. I still gotta actually delete all this gibbery jargon, whatever the fuck. If not touching hotbar, or this sprite touching a clone of the tabs. I know there's a clone. Oh yeah, we can do those too. We can do those too. We can do those too. We just need another ore. Boom. We're done. Oh, not. Someone an ore. You have no idea how many times I've mistaken ores for ands and used them just completely incorrectly. Okay, so the array thing I want to learn how to use because I think I might be able to make a way more efficient way of storing map data, and possibly even being able to hold multiple different maps in one map. It's right now it's just like a theory idea concept, but if I can get it working, that would mean I could add stuff like more dimensions or something. Oh, I don't know. Sorry, okay. Well, so move to the side and give this a test. I don't know about you. I think that works. Oh, unfortunately, not work with these things. Okay, we can fix that. Tabs? Tab correctly, please. Holy, oh my god. Okay. Oh, real quick. Okay. So, the tab one did not work. Do you think that block's really broken? This touching or... Hey. Am I Smooth Brain? Oh Lord. Okay. I don't have no clue what could be happening. Like, genuinely, I mean, not touching this. Or... I'm gonna go to Hypersense and see if this, is myself Setting tabs. So all that will be positive, or like this. That's the only. We only need one not for this to work. That works. We have fixed the bug. I thought I fixed it last time. Interacting with tiles. Not with GUI. That was a good bug to fix, and I'm now ready to continue on with making tiles. But before I do, we got 2 hours to get this done. I hope we can knock out a pretty good chunk of them before I do. I'll get a smoothie. Returned. I've returned. I'm just gonna get to work. Just doing, yeah. Some work done. Moving my mic and just have this be kind of silent. So just watch some cool art in the backgrounds. Well, I'll probably talk a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I had to leave for something. But I'm back. Let's probably just keep making some books. Like a yellow one? Yellow one look neat. I want a lot of color in this. Color's cool. I like color. One's gonna be like very short, very thick book. No, it should be black. So let's go with like 10 would probably look good. No. 13. That's 6. Some nice blue in there. I want to throw some blue in there, don't we? Indeed we do. Blue always complements gray pretty well. Oh, that's way too much. Yeah, we're gonna want something like that. And like this. Alright, ditch the blue. That looks fine. Alright, that's about all the colors. I think there's 2 more. We can get purple in. I want purple. Purple looks good. I like purple. Purple looks cool, you know? What an idiot sandwich. Oh, that's a very vibrant purple. I will be saving this color for something cool in the future. We just gotta cram one more book in there and then we're good to go. I think I want all of them to be basically stacked up. So
That's a waste of space, mister.
the green ones are like the only one with like the neat, like unique kind of design. I'm noticing that right now. So there we go. We can cram in like another book. If we can make this fit. We can make this fit. Alright, I'm back. This is a struggle. I know the bug, I'm just struggling to fix the bug. Settle in the earth around me, fertilize the ash with care. My great despair. So this is my goodbye, I'm sorry. Should have never made you worry. Leave a little note that says, see you in the stars, my friend. Well, there it is. See the moon, nothing every day. It's never okay. But nothing changes the same. Okay, there's something behind here. So, this is tough for a couple of reasons. Right here, if collision list contains thing, replace item hovering tile grid value with 2. Okay. This contain. Wait, no, that's not gonna be right. My god, I'm a smooth brain. Using the completely wrong variable. Wow. Slash set tile 98-1. Doesn't work on anyone. So if collision list contains breathe and I'll carry you away, the velvet sky, run, watch you fall away into the Hudson Bay. Hovering tile that collision list contains. Up all night, blow the northern lights, my coldest nights. Okay, so if wall decoration contains selected tile, right? That's yes. There's a true statement. Collision list. Okay, to try wall order contains that. Mountain tops can be so awfully dull. Of New York shopping malls. Over the promenade. From the sky, darling, she and I. Okay, we force the variation to be 1. Let's force the variation to be 1. Set tile. Set tile 98-1. Doesn't want to put them down. Why? Just why? I don't get it. I don't understand. Wall order. Oh, I know why. Collision list. So, let's take a look at collision list. Collision list. Okay, this should work. This should work. Was that paper cut? Ooh, that was a paper cut. I'm going paper cut on my elbow. There's paper on my wall. I cut myself with the paper on my wall. How fucking embarrassing. Set tile 98-1. Doesn't appear to want to work. Who would thought it'd be this hard to basically say, hey, I only want this tile to generate at this spot, or be able to place on this spot. I just don't get it. Let's select the tile. We want hovering. So 85 is in there. Collision list. The text before that dash is 85. So this script should be running. What if we try forcing it? Space doesn't do anything. Okay, yeah, no, space will force it in. So, could this be it? If wall decoration... Let's look at wall decoration. Wall decoration 98. Check for the tiles 98. Okay, now it just works anywhere. We kinda got it working, but not really. Welcome to the light. There's no turning back. And while you sleep, we will find you acting under best behavior. Everybody wants to rule the world. Okay, let's see if I can figure out what part of the code is causing the issue. It's my own design. It's my own. Me to decide. Master freedom. Nothing. I don't think I'm singing it right, but whatever. It's hard to know what this guy's singing. I don't know. I don't fucking know, man. Well, I found what the issue is, and it's this. It's collision list. I'll be right behind you. So glad they almost made it. So sad they had to wait it. Everybody wants to rule the world. Item. Text before the dash and the if collision list contains whatever this fucking value is, then yeah, it'll actually like do what it's supposed to do. So slash set tile value 98-1. It refuses. It just refuses. Yeah, it's awful. Well, everybody wants to rule the world. That you'll never set tile 98-1. Yeah, so only work on a few. So I got an idea. Nothing ever lasts forever. Everybody wants to rule the world. So we've already like basically confirmed that it's a wall. But this is so the issue with this, it checks to see. What we need is to figure out where the wall's at. Item. Alright, this is a good start so far. So, let's just go gathering tile. Let's do attention. Best. Does exist. Doesn't exist, but let's say it does exist for a sec. If here we go. If so, this now will take falling down at the party. I'm so confused, man. You know what? I'll finish this later. But I'm just so confused right now. My brain's so foggy. I'll come back to it. Aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. So, fun fact, I was originally gonna have this guy in the game, but no more, because, guess what? Take a guess. He's getting replaced with the Christmas guy. I'm not joking. Here he is. Alright, so that mouth is gonna need to get fully custom animations. Just a heads up. At the party, saddest little baby in the room. Fears are fears, don't get me started. Let's get a nice red color in. Tears falling. It has a very saturated red. That is way too much saturation. Lonely road, the only one that I have ever known. Don't know where it goes, but it's hard to me and I walk alone. Song is peak. Walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the city sleeps and I'm the only one and I walk alone. Da-da, walk alone, I walk alone. Walk alone, I walk alone. So we gotta, let's see, this is don't even know what this way is supposed to be. That's head. That's okay. Do we really want to separate the head though? That's gonna be really annoying. Alright, what I'm gonna do. Export that so I just have a nice copy of it around. Walk alone. Looking down my line, that divides me somewhere in my mind. Borderline and the edge, and where I walk alone. Copy that mouth. Between the lines, what's fucked up and everything's alright. Check my vital signs, of these alive and I walk alone. So, how do I go about getting this thing to fucking open? A walker. Make it rounded. Someone up there will find me, and I walk alone. Walk alone, I walk alone. Alright, there we go. That should be about everything. The shop should be fully ready to go. Okay, no, that was not a little machine starting up. That was me. Don't worry. We got him! I want to see if the mouth will move at all. That was not your leaf blower, don't worry. It doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look good either, you know? I think if we put this a bit further, like kind of like up, like over here, it could look a bit better. Or actually, why don't we just ditch that third point and just go for it? Okay, that might have been a really bad idea, holy shit. Why does the mouth... Okay, so that's why it doesn't really look right. It's because the mouth, like, it mainly opens up over here when it should be mainly opening up, like, right there. Right? So now we do this. Open it up more. Or actually, open it up, like, way less. There we go. How do I get rid of you again? I kind of forgot. Oh, you press Q. A little bit better, but I'm not liking it. Also, I'm pretty sure I can cut animation for the head and the mouth. So, let's get animation. Oh yeah, here we go. Fuck. If costume name. So 1-2 and 1-3. 1-2. I don't think I have to explain how bad of an idea that is right there. Oh, wait, no, that will work. That will work. Wait, no, that will work. Never mind. I stand corrected. Okay, the mouth doesn't move, and the head doesn't turn correctly at all. Probably cut this as a random animation I just randomly found. So 0.1 degrees, negative 0.1 degrees, 50, and come back up. So go back, come back, go back, come back. That's the idea. The mouse is not moving. M equals 0. Is that still the... Yeah, no, it's still M dash 0. Oh, I said equals dash. Because I went first. So once it will get stuck in a forever loop, so... Should work, hopefully. Okay, the mouse does not move. I don't like the mouse moving. Alright. Remove that. I think... And just keep the mouse fucking... Just make the mouse move correctly. Just make the mouse move in a way that doesn't make it look fucking ugly. I should mention that that voice sample does not fit him at all. It fit the other guy. I'm just thinking of doing my own voices for this guy. I think I'm gonna just do that. That'd be way easier. That. There's not how you spell Christmas. Alright, that's dialogue 1. Let's record it. I mean, my microphone's fine, I think. I'll turn it over as actually recording. Alright. I finally listened to my microphone quality for once, and it sounds fucking horrible. Doesn't sound good. It doesn't sound good. We'll be sticking with just little dialogue text things for now until I get a better microphone and a better voice actor. That's not me. Okay. Okay. Bulk. I'll come back to this one. Don't I got tiles to finish? I do. So we have like, I think it was like 4. We have, let's see, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. Literally 4. So this one was, that one is just normal bookshelf. Oh, I just had such a cool idea though. Paintings. Oh, write that down. Write that down. Write that down. Oh yeah, you can expect most of this stuff to get into the future at some point. There's a lot here. I do want to get all this into the game at some point, especially water, palm trees, dead trees, bone spikes. I would know where that one came from. A lot of this stuff, all that stuff. This one's a funny one. Gotta add a fire at some point. The snow globe. Oh, I do want to get a snow globe edited. That'd be pretty cool. A snow globe. And log out for tonight. This was a lot of work done, but I am burnt out of working on this game. I'm going to enjoy my Christmas break. I'm going to enjoy it. And I do want to just kind of finish the update already. I'm burnt out on this game. Oh my god, it releases in like... It releases this Friday, doesn't it? So I got tomorrow, Thursday... I got tomorrow and Thursday, that's it. Just like 5 more hours to finish an entire update. I fixed a lot of the big issues already. I feel like this is a pretty stable release so far. Like it'll work, you know. I feel like this is a pretty stable release. I have so much I want to add. It's not even funny. So I think next up's gonna be another like really big one, or maybe it'll be a smaller one. I want the next up to just add tiles. I don't want to add anything crazy features. I just want to add some cool tiles and have some fun making tiles. Cause that's where I get that's where I have the most fun. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Alright. About it. Alright. And then stream now. Great, good stream, good stream.